Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. I've got a really valuable video that a lot of you have been asking me for. This is a video all about videos. I'm actually going to show you a tool, a free tool that's going to allow you to make really high quality, high converting Shopify videos. And I'll go over a couple of reasons and examples of really how to use and why you'd want to use video. But the bottom line is it's going to save you money. It's going to increase your conversion rate. And this free tool is going to literally allow you to make videos in just a matter of minutes. So let's go over it. And first, we're going to talk about some of the advantages of actually using video. So before I show you this tool, why do you want to use video? And I think if you don't already know these points, I think it's super important that you do know, because video has been, really, in my opinion, the preferred choice for at least a year.
When it comes to video, and this is directly from Google, over 50%, more than half of consumers look for a video before making a purchasing decision. Basically, they just want to see more detail, right? And of course, you could show more detail in a video. It just presents better. And over half of potential customers, so it's not just a small percentage, so the majority of your customers, they want to see video. And we're talking about video really kind of just helps bridge the gap between buying a product, like a physical product, and actually seeing it on the screen, right? It gives a little bit more kind of volume to it, right? It gives it more of a real tangible feeling than just a photo. And really, just to drive the point home, using video on your e-commerce site, it could increase your conversion rate up to 85%. It could help SEO. It could reduce product returns because, again, you get that kind of deeper, more detailed picture of what's going on. And the bottom line is you just want to have product video in your store. You want to be utilizing video whenever you can, because this is not just my strategy. These are proven proven facts about what's going on in the industry right now and how video just simply helps.
And the bottom line is it's going to increase your Shopify conversion rate. You could use video at a couple different steps in the buying process. For example, product videos on the product page, on the home page, of course in your Facebook or Instagram ads. But wherever you use video, it's going to help you increase that conversion rate. On top of that, you're also going to be able to create a brand, right? You can create an aesthetic, and you could also develop a brand voice because you have more than a photo. When you're using video, you could have music and of course the look and feel and setting and everything that you're kind of putting into the video. That really creates a feeling that these potential customers will start to associate with your brand. So if you do that correctly, if you create nice videos that are on point with the brand that you want to build, they become really big assets. You could also increase trust. Again, if you just have a photo, it's harder to convey a feeling of trust as opposed to if you had a video or a great slideshow or something that really showed the kind of life and feeling that you have in your own brand. And of course, showcasing product, right? Just video, you have much more opportunity to show detail, to show flow, even if it's just a photo-to-photo slideshow. But of course, a video is the best when you could actually just showcase the photo up close or have a mock-up of the video and show multiple great angles. Just showcasing the product in video is typically always preferred and really, again, increases conversion rate. And if you don't care about conversion rate for some reason, which you'd be crazy not to care about it, it's directly how much money you make. But how about saving money as well? Facebook and Instagram ads with video, they consistently get cheaper CPM than photo ads. If you don't know what CPM means, it means cost per 1,000 impressions. Basically, how much does it cost to show your ad to 1,000 people on Facebook or Instagram? If your ad is a video, you'll consistently get a cheaper CPM than if your ad is a photo. Okay, bottom line is you're going to save money by using video in your marketing. So a bunch of great reasons in terms of why you should use video. Let's go over the shoulder now. And you see the link below this video. I'm going to show you the promo video tool. Incredibly powerful. It's free. You'll see the Shopify app as we go over the shoulder, but just an incredible tool. It's going to allow you to make great videos. It's going to be so quick and easy. You don't need to have any technical skill. And like I said, it's a free Shopify app. So take a look at the link below this video, but let's go over the shoulder right now and I will show you the promo video tool. So this is the Promo Video Maker app, and as you see, it is totally free. The link is directly below this video. Definitely want to check this out, but I'm going to show you some of the really cool features, and I'll go over the shoulder and actually show you just how easy it is to start making some really great videos. But this is really all about enhancing your storefront, right? We're going to be able to make really awesome looking product videos. We're going to be able to showcase our product, and it doesn't matter what type of product you have. This can work for drop shipping, print on demand, custom products, warehouse products, really anything where you have imagery. It's going to work, and I'll show you over the shoulder just how easy it is. And the whole point, like I told you before, we're talking about increasing conversion rate through really strong videos, right? We're talking about boosting that conversion rate, making more money from the same amount of traffic, because we're basically enhancing our store. We're optimizing our store. We're optimizing our products with some really great product promo video. And really, like I said, I'm going to show you just how easy it is. You can take a look at the entire description. Again, the link is directly below this video, and we'll go over, you'll see the onboarding process, just how easy it is to create a different video, choose the size and all that stuff. So make sure you click the link below. It's totally free. I'm going to go ahead and add this app to one of my demo stores so we can go ahead and take a look at just how easy it is. And it's of course going to just ask for the traditional permission. You'll go ahead and give that the permission there. And we immediately get sent in. And I want to actually show you what this store looks like before I make the video, right? There's some sample products in here. For example, some shirts for dog lovers, hoodies, different colors, different variants, things like that. So we have that as the store that we're using, just as a little example here. I'm going to show you just how easy this, and again, this could work with any store, drop shipping, AliExpress, print on demand, custom products, personalized products, it doesn't matter. And we're literally just going to go right through here. You see that we're in the welcome page here. This happens after you install the app. Of course, we're going to click make a video. We can get support at any time. See these different types of videos too. You definitely will want to come back to testimonial video. This could be super powerful to add to product pages or to home pages to basically show off your happy customers. You can do brand videos, which are super strong. Occasion videos like holidays. A lot of great templates for those, but we're going to focus on product video right here. I'm going to hit that checkbox, and then we'll select next. So as you saw in my store, I have some different products in here. They pull the products immediately, right? I didn't need to upload these. These just happen automatically. If you have 100 products, it's going to show all 100. If you have one, it's just going to show that one product. And you're going to select which product, or you could search for the product that you want to make a video of. And then you're going to be able to pick a style of your, really a size of your ad. And for example, we have things like square ads, right? This would be traditionally for a product video or a Facebook ad, right? Landscape, we have different uses for this. For example, a YouTube type size, story for Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook stories. Now, when it comes to the templates, square, those are typically best for your product pages. It's going to fit really nicely into almost every Shopify theme. Most product images that get spit out by your print on demand or drop shipping app are also square. So they're going to replace that nicely by using a square template size. Got a couple of examples up here. Landscape is also good for YouTube, right? You got over here landscape. These are your traditional kind of quote unquote HD layouts, right? They're going to be wider than they are tall as opposed to square. And then you have your story things. Let's say you're doing Facebook stories, Instagram stories. These are all great. And let's just show you a couple different templates. We can take a peek inside here. We can even play this just to kind of preview something that you can make. See some cool audio, which we'll be able to add on top of that. Of course, everything here is customizable. And you'll see that there's one preview. We take a look at a story preview. All right, so you can imagine your information, your discount, your brand information, your branding. What we'll be able to do through promo is just kind of implement that on top of it. Here's another example. So plenty of different templates that you're going to have access to with promo. We're just going to go over here with our traditional style over here for products and for Facebook, so we could use it in multiple places. And then you're going to see we have this entire kind of little editor that we can go through. And there are different styles, different colors, different additions of music that we can put in there, right? You see you could hover over it and it will actually play. Tons and tons of different ways to customize your video. So I'll come back over here to text and media. Of course, we could pick which images we want to be shown in the different scenes. You see we have an outro. Of course, we could literally customize every single part of this. And you see I'm really just entering in different things here. We could add a logo as well. So you see I added a logo. I changed the background color. We could change it to anything we want, right? We could put it over here to black, white, green, yellow. We can put our own custom code in here. Bottom line is everything is customizable, and we can go through each of the different scenes. We could change the position over here, add in some text, right? You can literally go as creative as you want with this. And this is just one of the many different templates. So again, we just put different marketing text here, and you see that they have some different examples over here. For example, special offer or whatever you want, or you can just replace whatever you want to put in there. Customize in there. You have your outro here, which gets some nice little animation. You don't want to have a discount in there. It's totally fine. You could literally remove different sections over here. Of course, you change this to your domain, and literally it's going to be good to go. But you can spend a lot of time customizing this, adding other imagery, adding logos, adding media. You see you can replace media if you don't want to have that one in there. Really, it's completely up to you. You have full control over this, and you see that it pulls different variants from your store automatically, but you could replace them as well to add in external imagery. You could have your designer help you with imagery if you want to go really do something custom. Bottom line is you could have a video ASAP, or you can spend tons of time customizing. You have the option to do both with promo. And hey, by the way, this app is free, so you definitely better install it on your store. We're going to do the last step over here. We could save it, of course, or we'll just publish this video. And of course, this is a product specific video, which is just one of the different types of videos that you can make with promo. And you see it literally, I haven't paused or anything. This is just how long it takes. It's just a couple of seconds, and we're going to have that video ready to go, and we're going to be able to use it in multiple places. Again, we used the square template size, and that's great because we could use it as a product photo video. You see that's the music that we picked. Pretty catchy, actually. Showing all the different variants, and there's our little outro right there, and the exact text that we wanted. Now, here's some really cool things here, right? Select a platform to publish your video. Okay, we could publish it to our store, which I'll do in a second, but you could also publish it directly to social media in one click, and you're going to have the ability to embed it manually on your store. I'm not sure if many of you are going to want to do that. That would be actually getting the embed code. Here's the easiest part. We're just going to embed it directly into our Shopify store, just like that. And like I said, we get to use these in multiple places. Now, being able to select the platform to publish, that's a super big deal. Like, we could literally just increase traffic to our products in just a matter of clicks, and we could leverage all of our social media networks directly to that in one click. And this is just about distribution. This is just about getting those product videos, which we already know are going to help increase our conversion rate. We're just going to get those out to more people through our networks, through our social media, and we do that all within one click. So really just tons of different ways to use Promo app. And most importantly, we're taking a look at our beautiful product page. We have all of our trust signals and all that great stuff. And you see what has been automatically published right on the site, fitting totally in. It looks perfect with our color scheme and everything. Fits directly into the product picture area. Of course, you have your other images as well, but it takes the first spot. And of course, we can go ahead and play that image. I got my speakers muted right now, but we have the real video here. There you go. Put directly into our product page. And again, look at the comparison. We have video or we have these photos. Of course, the video is going to work better. And that's just how easy it is to create. And like I said, it's automatically on the product page right now. You come over here and take a look at your published videos. You can go and edit them, or of course, just go ahead and create new videos, and you go right back to this really nice smart publisher here where you just go ahead and pick the different options. So make sure you click on the link directly below this video. I highly recommend Promo. It is a great tool. It's totally free. You can make tons and tons of different videos. You see on your screen, brand, product, testimonial, occasion videos in a matter of seconds. You have full customization over everything, look and feel, products, even the music. Highly recommend it. It's free. Make sure you get it installed in your store right now. I know you're going to love it. I hope this video helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.